To remove the radio from this Toyota Corolla, you need to take off these side trims, just one on each side, not the bottom half. So that line there, just take off from there the top half, and the other side, that side trim, they just clip out. And then I can't remember, I think, but we'll see what happens afterwards. But I think that one might need to come up. Sorry, the top one might need to come out first, but it's all just unclips. So, try and get a trim tool in there and unclip it. And be careful because so that one pulled out towards, you can see the clips. Make sure you get them out on the right angle, which it helps. It's a bit harder to get into this one with this trim here. We'll get there. There we go. Now, who's next? Okay, looks like we might be able to just get this one out. No, it's not. We'll take the top one out first then. Easy enough? Easy enough. Look at that. And the bottom one. So then you take out the 10mm bolts, and then your radio's out. So you get a 10mm socket on an extension, and there's two each side, and then you've got it out.